everyone, welcome back to Auto Hub. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Today, we've got something truly exciting to talk about, the all-new 2026 GMC Canyon. This pickup is redefining what it means to be a midsize truck. So, let's jump right into it and see what makes the 2026 Canyon so special. First up, let's talk about the design. The 2026 GMC Canyon sports a bold, muscular front grille that commands attention, with sleek LED headlights and a refined, aerodynamic profile. It's clear that GMC is putting a premium on both style and functionality. Whether you're cruising downtown or tackling rugged terrain, the Canyon looks the part. Now, let's get into performance. The 2026 GMC Canyon offers multiple engine options, but the standout here is the 2.7-liter turbocharged engine that delivers an impressive 310 horsepower and 430 pound-foot of torque. This engine gives you the perfect balance between power and fuel efficiency, whether you're hauling heavy loads or just enjoying a scenic drive. Inside, the 2026 Canyon has undergone a significant upgrade. The cabin is refined with high-quality materials, comfortable seating, and an intuitive layout. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a large 10.2-inch touchscreen with the latest version of GMC's infotainment system, including Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even built-in navigation. You also get a suite of advanced safety features, like lane keeping assist and forward collision warning, to give you peace of mind on every drive. Let's talk about capability. GMC has really stepped up its game when it comes to towing. The 2026 Canyon can tow up to 7,700 pounds when properly equipped, making it one of the best in its class. Whether you're hauling your boat, camper, or a trailer full of gear, this truck has the muscle to get the job done. For off-road enthusiasts, the 2026 Canyon offers the AT4X trim. It's loaded with off-road upgrades like a lifted suspension, skid plates, and special tires, ensuring you can tackle even the toughest trails with confidence. If you're the adventurous type, this is the Canyon you'll want to get behind the wheel of. Now, for the all-important price tag, the 2026 GMC Canyon starts at around $34,000 for the base model, and the fully loaded AT4X trim can push the price up to about $47,000. It's a bit of an investment, but when you consider the features, performance, and versatility, it's definitely a truck that's worth the money. So there you have it, folks, the 2026 GMC Canyon, a powerful, stylish, and capable midsize truck that's ready to take on anything you throw at it. If you're in the market for a truck that offers the perfect blend of performance and luxury, the Canyon should definitely be on your radar. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new Canyon, and if you'd like to see more reviews like this, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time here on Auto Hub.